What's up? It's your girl Tyler coming back with another banger. Just left the gym and we're gonna give a little quick food review. The review going to Memphis, Tennessee, City Silo. I got the hippie scramble and I got the buffalo tofu taco. It smells lovely. It looks delicious. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see. I want y'all to get like a quick little visual. Please see how it tastes. The setup, the scenery out here is absolutely stunning. The eggs look perfectly cooked. Look at that. Beautiful. I got some sweet potatoes, avocado, quinoa, scrambled eggs, kale, sweet beans, black beans. It tastes so fresh, so heavenly. Oh my god, that's awesome. City Silo is it. Memphis, Tennessee. I think they got 2 locations. The one on Mendenhall is it. Look at the taco. That's the taco. Give you a lime. Give you like this little sauce. I don't know what that is. And I think it's like a little guacamole type of paste. I love me some guacamole. Or it could be salsa verde. Ooh, I don't know. But we're gonna try it. I want y'all to get really lime there. I'm not trying to make a mess. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at the aesthetic out here. I'm sitting outside. You got nice little water, surrounded by beautiful florals. If you want to check out a place that's healthy, just left the gym, please check out City Silo, Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah.